Bumper is connected to the skid plate, and he just hit his head on my camera. Right now, we are working on my little brother's car right there. He got a new intake, cold air intake for his 370Z. So I have experience with changing my 350Z's intake and the Integra intake. So he's actually learning this, trying to get more hands on with his own car. And I'm going to help guide and teach him how to do it. So let's look. Right now, he got the Z1. What is it, Z1 Motorsports?
Actually, so that you can get more leverage.
What is this on Z1?
Cold air intake.
Yeah, so you got the Z1 cold air intake. You may have had it a long time ago, but they forgot to send the goddamn hardware, so it took an extra week and a half. But we finally got it. He got the real one. This is actually dope. I like that. Red guts, you know what I'm saying? So, about to get this shit done. Let me see what color this is. Oh, blue. And then you got a blue one. But yeah, so we about to do this. Young Jerry right here helping out, you know what I'm saying?
It's good.
So that's what we're doing. So let's see how this goes. First thing first, when you want to take off a bumper for a 370Z, we're going to take these ones off. You're going to take these bolts off, which we did right there. Then over here, you're going to go to the side, and under here you loose right here, and right here with my finger at, above my finger, right there is going to be another screw you're going to take out, and then you just basically pull this, because you see right here, this automatically just get pushed in and clamped in to where the white part is in there, and that's basically it. Then you got to go down here and you got to unbolt these on the bottom, take off those three. I don't know how many there is, but the bumper is connected to the skid plate, and he just hit his head on my camera, so black niggas. Well, anyway, so all you gotta do is take the bolts off the skid plate, and it's connected to the bumper, and then it's gonna be 3 on each side, which you can see right here. I took out one, okay, let's see, 1, 2, and 3, and on the other side is gonna be 3, and that's it. And then we just pull this bitch out, and then we start getting to the next part. So once we get to the next part, let's oh yeah, then we're gonna take these off, and then we go from there.
About this being a 10 mil. Those are 10 mils. This one's not a 10 mil.
Get a smaller one. Got it. Now just take this goofy ass thing out. That's connected to that. Oh, it's connected to that wire. Let me see. Yeah. When you drive, you know, but because we can't rev it too much. Yeah, but when you really rev it, you hear it, but then
when she first revved it, bro.
Yeah, I was like, damn.
So you could
There's no more gas now. The airflow.
I smell it. Yeah, reverse. Don't go crazy or nothing. Watch your feet, Jerry. Thanks to Jerry, man, we got this shit taken care of. Yeah. All right. Oh, y'all can go on the ride.
Oh shit! Hey, yo,
your shit sound way better now. It do shit faster too. It do shit. I heard it.
My God.
I fucking heard it. It do shit faster.
Bro, it feels so,
Oh
it
shit.
feels so smooth. Bro.
Oh my god.
It feels so fucking smooth.
It shifts way faster now. I can just hear it and I can feel it. That's hella dope.
That's crazy.
That's them Z1 intakes for you, baby.
That's crazy.
Yes, sir. Oh, damn. Oh my god.
Yo,
That's raw as fuck.
that's OD. That's OD. That's fucking lit.
Zanny intake bound. Windows up.
You could hear that shit.
Oh shit!
You could
Oh
hear
my
that shit.
god, bro. Wow.
That's crazy.
That's so fucking dope, bro. Hey, you know what? Even though them niggas was on some bullshit, bro, it was worth it. Cause now we all happy and smiling and shit.
You right.
Alright.